Have you ever lost yourself inside someone else's heart? Have you ever thought about to make me be a part? Have you ever looked into my eyes and saw the love? Have you ever asked yourself what makes your feelings rise above? Your kisses make me feel so high. When you touch me, I could fly up to the sky. Did I ever told you that your smell is in my mind? Did I ever showed you all your gifts I get from the first time? Did you ever heard my heart is beating just for you? Did you ever knew that these words reflect my inner truth? Your kisses make me feel so high. When you touch me, I could fly up to the sky.
A short time till I'm with you, already seeing you do. But who the hell is that boy there?